Hello everyone! Alright, we are back. This is the last video of the holiday season and this is going up on Christmas Eve. Okay, so this look is designed to make your more conservative relatives a little more uncomfortable because you are done with their shenanigans and you have no time for pretending to be someone you are not. So let your freak flag fly. You've got a new family because you built it, so you can tell all of the conservative ones to hit the door. So that's what this look is for. If you want to see how I achieved this, just keep on watching. No. Okay, so to have this particular look started, again, of course, complexion is primed with Honey Do Me Up Primer from NYX Cosmetics. My under eyes are primed with the Smashbox Hydrating Under Eye Primer, as per usual. And then I actually primed my lids with the MAC 24-Hour Eye Primer. So, we're primed. Good. I'm going to kick this look off with the Morphe and Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to start with Back in the second color in the top row, and that's just going to go through my crease. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M423. Done! And then I'm just going to take a little bit of Boss Angeles. Just a little, just to slightly deepen up the crease, because the top half of the lid isn't nearly as dramatic. We want just enough. Okay? Poof. Done. There. Now I'm just going to take rolls with it on a paddle brush. You've all seen this MAC one by now. I'm using it. I love it. And we're just going to put that on the lid. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of Millions on my finger and very lightly apply that over the lid. Because I don't want like a giant glitter lid. I want just a little dazzle. Because what happens next is going to be really dramatic. And I'm just going to mix a little bit of Lynn and 1985 together and sweep that under my brow for like a matte highlight. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation and concealer real quick, and I will be right back for the really dramatic part of this look. The part that's going to make your aunt go, "Oh dear child." Be right back. Alright, complexion is on. My tripod is still wobbling. Thank you. For my concealer, I did my Wet n Wild Photo Focus in medium tawny. Foundation is Studio Water Weight from MAC in NC42. And then I set that with my Select Sheer Powder, which has been discontinued. So, moving on. Now we're going to get to the drama of the look and hopefully the part that's going to send your relatives into cardiac arrest. Okay, because you are over their bull and want to make a statement. You want to let them know that you are a rebel and that you don't care about their opinions. So, let's do it. We're going to come into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And we're just going to jump right into it. We're being brave here. We're going to take Licorice and we're going to start under the eye. So I'm going to take a MAC 221, pick up some color, and sweep. And we're going to kind of wing it out. Just like that. The great thing about this look is you could easily switch up the color scheme, do blacks and grays, with silver glitter for New Year's. If you want like a really dramatic look for New Year. Beautiful. And to help me keep the lines kind of symmetrical to my face, I'm literally just following the angle of my bottom lash line. And they're not 100% perfect, but they are, you know, symmetrical to my face. So, and now I'm just going to take a MAC 219. This is a really nice dense pencil brush. We're going to take a little bit of raspberry and just kind of go right along the lash line and the most inner part of that wing. And then just kind of feather the color downwards. Beautiful. That's pretty much it for the under part. Now we're going to do a really nice emerald green liner. And for that, I'm going to use Mistletoe. This is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick from last holiday, I think. But I'm just going to use that as a liquid liner. I'm going to go ahead and do that and throw on some lashes, and I'll be right back to finish this look up for you. Give me a second. Alright, so I have mascara, lashes, and brows on, and bronzer. For the brows, I did my Deep Dark Brunette Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream from MAC, and then the 24-Hour Brow Setter from Benefit. For my bronzer, I went in with my Refined Golden bronzer from MAC, which I love because it has a little bit of shimmer, so it gives you like a nice glow. And then for mascara, I did the Mineralize mascara from MAC. And then I did my Jasmine Brown lashes in JB again. So, yay for that. And then I'm going to come into my Model Zone highlighting palette, and I'm just going to take Sugar Coat and do my highlight. And since we're trying to frighten our conservative relatives this year, we're going to go real glassy and highlighted with this. Then I'm just going to take that on a crease brush and highlight my brow. Do your Cupid's bow. Real bright. And then we're going to take that and really cram it in the tear duct. Like really layer that on. Don't be afraid of the highlight. Beautiful, right? Confident. And I want a little bit of a glossier lip. So I'm going to take Steam Heat from MAC. This is from the Wash and Dry collection that they had. I'll put in the year, like right here. Still smells like vanilla, so I'm going to use it. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to put on a wig and be right back to finish this off. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it's wearable, pretty. Definitely going to make some of your more conservative relatives a little uncomfortable, maybe question their sanity a bit. It's really not the craziest thing, but you know, it's not your typical Christmas look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know where to leave them. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit that like button, and why don't you subscribe? I have some videos planned for next year already, so let's see if I can get them out. I will see you guys again soon.